ready for the best night of my life. Everything's gonna be just right. Putting on a robe that's warm but light, squirt, squirt, best, best. Glug, glug, best, best. Get ready, my Tommy is your nest, 'cause I'm stepping in the best. Best.
Thank you so much. Shut up. You know, Celine Dion is in the audience tonight. She's fabulous, but I'm better. Here we go. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my So, how'd the big night turn out?
It was... There's no word to describe it. Schmoobly dong? That's not it, but it's close. Let me try and put it in terms you can understand. Imagine being high at a Rusted Root concert while two dudes take you on in a sun-baked porta-john.
Wow. That actually does sound really good.
Yeah, I'd like that too.